This impossible machine already rewrote construction history, but how could something this colossal even be built? The hidden complexity behind this outcome changed everything. Unseen before this moment was the architectural blueprint that made it real, but what came before this was hidden deep in classified design halls. Investigators discovered that the vision emerged years before a single bolt was forged. The architect's design concealed an engineering logic never attempted at this scale. Every walkway and safety railing was planned before the desert was even surveyed. The ground itself was reverse-engineered to match the machine's impossible footprint. What no one realized was the machine was tested virtually 1,000 times before reality. The digital twin carried the entire construction risk on its virtual shoulders. The core breakthrough came from a lone engineer's midnight calculation. Behind this outcome was an unseen material formula forged at molecular extremes. The final design locked only after a critical structural flaw was solved at the last second. Construction began not with metal, but with the world's largest single-cast component. The first pour took 5 synchronized furnaces working in absolute coordination. But hidden inside this solidification were residual stresses that could destroy everything.
That stress point kept me awake for weeks.
Every internal void was engineered to carry load while reducing total weight by 40%. The sprocket system was built 200 kilometers away and transported as a single living beast. Moving this module required closed highways and a 72-hour time window.
When I saw it moving, I knew nothing would stop us.
Each bolt carried a tension load equivalent to holding a skyscraper. The track assembly moved like a mechanical snake eating its own tail. Every meter of track was validated with a lattice of laser alignment points. The towering fortress grew from the inside out like a living exoskeleton. The brain of the machine was installed high enough to see the curvature of the Earth. This cabin could control a fleet of autonomous haulers across 10 square kilometers. Every walkway was a calculated structural rib disguised as access.
From here, the desert feels like ours.
The arms were the spine of the entire digging force. This fluid had to remain stable under 600 bar of pressure and desert heat. The arm's pivot joint was machined down to 1/10 of a human hair's tolerance. The teeth were grown as single crystal alloys, not forged. Each tooth was self-sharpening, its crystalline structure aligning toward the cutting edge.
It feels like touching a frozen lightning bolt.
Connecting the scoop was the most dangerous single lift in the entire build. When the pins locked, the ground transmitted the shock for 3 kilometers. The completed giant slept under its first desert sunset, still silent. When they powered it on, it took 6 hours just to initialize every subsystem. The first movement consumed enough power to light a small town. It moved with the deliberate pace of a tectonic plate.
It doesn't roll, it conquers the ground.
The arm's motion was orchestrated by 47 synchronized hydraulic algorithms. The first bite processed 20 tons of material in a single scoop. The structural feedback system adjusted pressure 800 times per second. Under the harsh daylight, it began rewriting the terrain's geometry. Its zero-turn capability required independent drive control on 12 axles. Behind this operation was a digital umbilical that never slept. While the world slept, the impossible operated non-stop for 36 hours straight. From 20 kilometers away, the ground still vibrated with its heartbeat.
I've never felt this small in my entire life.
The teeth refused to wear down. The material had entered a frictionless regime. But then, the desert struck back with a force no blueprint could resist. The system began detecting imminent hydraulic collapse due to filter clogging. Fine sand bypassed 3 layers of defense, threatening the pressure integrity. If the seal failed, the entire arm would lock in the extended position forever.
This is where we almost lost it all!
The seal held, but the near disaster exposed a fatal system vulnerability. The retrofitting decision had to be made while the machine remained operational. The fix added 2 tons, but the structural margins had been over-designed for this very moment. The new seal turned a weakness into an unbreakable fortress. Failure had taught the machine how to become even stronger. The geological survey had missed a granite belt. The machine had to chew through it.
It's eating through 50 megapascal rock like bread.
The alloy's hyperelasticity prevented fracture where any steel would shatter. The mega machine didn't just dig, it processed entire mountains internally. It ran so hard the tracks glowed in infrared surveillance. The site had evolved into a fully autonomous excavation organism. Every day broke the previous day's production record, without exception. But the path to this success was almost blocked before the first steel was cut. The project faced a complete funding freeze when commodity prices collapsed.
They told us building this was pure fantasy.
For 6 months, the partially assembled giant stood frozen, a monument to uncertainty. A skeleton crew refused to abandon the machine, working without paychecks. A last-minute intervention by the National Infrastructure Bank resurrected the corpse. The project surged back with triple shifts and a fury born of near death. But the rebirth was immediately threatened by a single flawed bearing weighing 80 tons.
This better work! 1 wrong micron and we'd create $1 million paperweight.
The repair succeeded beyond tolerance, creating a bearing surface smoother than design. The machine's rotational heart finally beat without vibration. The human cost was mounting. Exhaustion became the invisible enemy. In the push for completion, the crew endured 50 degrees Celsius daytime heat. He had spent 900 consecutive days on this sand, never seeing his family. The desert tested the machine with floods and heat waves in the same week. The track's self-cleaning design failed under that mud, requiring manual intervention.
We needed a monsoon-proof upgrade right now. Clear that section, focus the steam there.
The crew invented a mud ejection system on the fly, straight out of necessity. This field modification later became standard across all future heavy excavators. The machine carried a soul within its steel, never forgotten. The new algorithm cut swing time by 22%, saving a decade of cumulative hours. It had survived politics, finance, flaw, flood, and the human limit.
Nothing made this easy. That is why it's legendary.
Nothing made this easy. That's why it's legendary. And then came the moment when the impossible was officially complete. The declaration was made not with speeches, but with the roar of engines. The record-breaking execution started with a single perfect scoop. It achieved the target output of a conventional fleet 3 times its size. One machine had replaced an entire brigade, yet consumed less fuel.
This isn't a machine. It's a leap in species.
This isn't a machine, it's a leap in species. It struck the exact geological target with sub-meter precision, as promised. The seamless dance of dig and dump had no human error. She had operated it for 10,000 hours, and every hour felt like the first.
In 1 year, it moved enough earth to build a mountain range. The world finally recognized what had been forged in sand and steel. NextGen 2050 documented this triumph from design to legacy. The ultimate success was inspiring the next generation who would surpass it.
And now, it's just getting started.
The impact of this machine reorganized the entire regional economy within 2 years. Entire transportation networks were redesigned around its insatiable output. The technology from its teeth now lives in Martian rover drill bits. Its DNA is being rewritten into off-world construction machines for the Moon and Mars. In a classroom with no proper pencils, its story ignited dreams heavier than steel. It proved that a single machine could shift the axis of what humanity builds. The ripple effect accelerated infrastructure across 3 continents.
They built a green future on the ground it broke.
They built a green future on the ground it broke. If you think this was massive, its impact goes even further. NextGen 2050, revealing the hidden engineering behind impossible machines. Keep building the impossible.